Okay, let's go ahead and create another page, new, and this time we are going to create, it's gonna be named as save it as what did I say? Granny Smith. My naming convention is all lowercase, separated by underscore between words .html, and click on save. And in the text, let's say Granny Smith. Hit the enter key, highlight it. I'm going to change that the format to be H1 or heading 1, and I am going to put a bunch of text, and I'm going to put Granny Smith's image one more time here. Oopsie. Oh, I dragged the wrong one. That one. Let go. Click on OK. So that's go. Oh, didn't I forget something? Yes, I did. The navigation bar. Well, what I'm going to do is this. Let's see. I'm going to wait, and we're going to put the navigation bar later. And I'm going to go ahead and save it. And then we have index, Granny Smith, and let's create the third one. It's going to be called reddelicious.html. red_delicious.html. Save it. Red delicious. Hit enter key a few times. Highlight it. Change the formatting to H1. Leave some blank space here, one or two blank spaces here for the navigation bar. I'm going to put some text. And image here. It's going to be in red. Red delicious. Ooh, look at that. All right, so save that. So notice this. You see the asterisk next to the file name tab? That means whatever that you did after you last time you saved, that something else happened. So you better save it to save whatever you did. All right, so let's go back to index page. So home, let's put some links. So home is where? Is index. Granny Smith is Granny_Smith, and red delicious is red_delicious.html. So I highlight it, and then let's put a link. So in the properties, go ahead and click on this point to file tool. Click on it and hold the button and drag it and point at it. So we are going to the home page, which is index.html. When it's highlighted, and let go. And notice that it types the link for you. And then in the title, that's basically when a user moves the pointer over, it'll show some kind of a blip showing where you're going. So let's say you can say home page. Okay, so that's done. And then highlight Granny Smith, and then click on the point to file, and where are we going? The grannysmith.htm. Let go, and in the title page, and click somewhere else, and then highlight Red Delicious, and click, and Red Delicious. And done. Oopsie, I think I forgot to put the title. And that's done. I'm going to save it, Control S, and then I'm going to copy this, highlight it, right click, and copy, and I come to, oopsie, Granny Smith, right click, paste. It's basically the same thing as Microsoft Word. I saved it, Control V as in Victor for pasting. So I'm going to save that, and that's it. Now you have created a website. So let's go home. Let's go home and let's do the preview. File, preview, and you can preview on different browsers. I recommend you to preview it at least on 2 or 3 different browsers. I strongly recommend you to use Internet Explorer, because majority of web users do use Internet Explorer, and the second most popular one is a Firefox. And if your target audience is more of Apple users, then you definitely want to try it on Safari and also Google Chrome. So anyway, let's go ahead and use Firefox to preview it. I think I forget something. Okay, anyway, so here we are. So that's the web page, the home page. I click on Granny Smith, Delicious, home page. One thing that I forgot to do is title of the page, the untitled. That's not good. So let's go back here, go to index, and then modify page properties, and title and encoding, get rid of untitled, and the home of apples. Click on OK, and Control S to save it. Go to Granny Smith, modify page properties, titles, and get rid of untitled, and we're gonna be Granny Smith page. Okay, Control S to save it. Red Delicious, modify page properties, titles, and it's going to be Red Delicious, and OK, and Control S to save it. And then let's see if I go back here and refresh it. Yeah, it shows the page title, Granny Smith, shows there and shows there. So that's it. We have just created a website.